up, everybody?
What up, what up?
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
We are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
A couple of free birds who decided to sell everything and live full-time in a Class C motorhome.
In order to find a purpose beyond parenting.
Seek adventures.
And reignite passions.
So come along as we figure out this nomad lifestyle.
And hopefully we can inspire you to
feel the free.
Love our life!
Yeah.
So don't forget to smack that subscribe button.
Karate chop that notification bell to see when all our videos drop. Don't miss a thing.
No, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's go!
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Two and 0, baby. We done it twice and haven't had the knock. So we're on a good roll. Right now, we're gonna head towards Reno because we gotta meet up with some work camp friends.
Well, then let's get the heck out of here.
Let's go, I'm ready.
Bye, my beautiful spot.
Later, we'll be back.
Definitely be back to this spot. Woo! Waking up to the Trinity River was freaking awesome. Like the sound of the river flowing all night was so freaking amazing. So soothing. Absolutely perfect spot last night. Loved it, loved it, loved it.
It was like we had a sound machine on with natural sounds, and it was awesome.
The sun is starting to peek over the mountains. Woo, sunrise, baby. In Redding, we're gonna stop and refuel and pick up a couple of necessities from Sprouts.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna hit a Sprouts.
This is beautiful. What is this, velvet? Name that movie.
We just got some groceries. Now we're off into our harvest host, which is gonna be really cool because it's a homestead they work with autistic people. So
Special needs, 4-H.
yeah, so it's
all kinds of.
So it's animals, all kinds of stuff. So we're excited to go check it out, and we're gonna take you with us. So let's go.
Highway 44 leads you right past Lassen's National Park. It's a volcano. Yes, you heard it here. It's a volcano. So be careful.
Well, looks like another fire in the distance.
That one is going strong. I wonder what's happening out that way.
2 hours later.
All this driving. Travel days.
It's rough.
Keep your fingers crossed that we find a hike.
Yeah.
We need a hike. Something. Nature walk. Something. All right. Let's go. Oh. All right. We found some spot to stop at. Looks like a little visitor center.
Oh my gosh. Oh, thank God we got out. Oh, I needed that. All right, she's gonna go to the bathroom and we're gonna go check out what all this says right here. Okay, welcome to Hat Creek. I don't see where we are, but there's a lot here to see. All right, I'm boring.
Well, she was adorable.
She was nice, and she had cool Smokey the Bear earrings.
Okay, I just saw something.
What did you say?
Oh, right there. It says baby rattlers. Caution warning. Oh gosh. I'm walking around. Get my wiggles out before we head back out. Let's go explore. Look, there's a highway out there. Oh shoot, I got a stalker.
That's me. Look, I wore my forest socks to the forest. Bam. How you like me now? My sock game is strong.
Whew. It is definitely nice to get out.
Breathe in some O2 and exhale some CO2 for the trees to grow.
And get my wiggles out.
Ooh, I just burped. Excuse me. I needed to walk and get out. The seat doesn't go back far enough because of our slide, so I have to kind of sit closer, and it's not the most comfortable.
So when you're looking for a new rig,
Yes.
make sure you have that width, that space when you're driving.
The leg room, yes, because on a long trip, it affects you big time. Even on a short trip, it'll affect you. But yeah, make sure you sit in it for a long time. Feel it out. Don't just settle.
Ruben's RV tips. You heard it here. All right, now that we got our wiggles out, onward to the harvest host. Let's go. The devastation. Wow. Just the whole mountain.
Just how nature is. Burns it down and then throws it right back.
He's not dead. That's Bernie. Bernie is going, whee! All right, we are about to get to our harvest host in 0.4 of a mile. We don't know if they're gonna allow us to film there, so if we do, you'll know. But if they don't, you'll soon find out. All right. Well, they allowed us to film. That's Rusty, our new friend. We just came over here and visited the pigs.
Yep. And
They are getting a little frisky here.
There's something in the air.
Watch.
There we go again. Here we go.
This one right here is horny. Look, that one too. That one too. What the hell? Every time we get next to animals, babe, that happens. First the ostriches, and then it was another animal. I can't remember what it was.
Butterflies.
But oh, the butterflies, and now the pigs. Every time we get next to animals, this happens. Ugh, they're just going crazy. Oh shoot! Oh my!
Naughty piggies. So naughty.
This is how you massage the dog. He is very happy. You see, he is very happy.
He got the little aluminum. He just doesn't spin right.
Your mom bought me rings. It was just rings.
He will get right up in here, girl, and he's quick. Who has
I'm not kicking it. Hurry, go. Get him. Yeah? Really? What's going on, Mama? Look at the baby. Oh my. Look at the baby.
No, the baby.
Oh my gosh. That dog will not stop. He was warned, do not kick the ball.
But he plays good defense.
Hi, horsies.
Said the brown ones are the wild Mustang.
Come on. Come. You're on my team, buddy.
Oh! Snuck one out.
Back to go visit the horny pigs.
Yeah, I guess I am a horny pig. I guess I might as well go see some. What's up, guys? We're back.
Hi. Oh, shoot. Oh, here it goes again.
There we go. He's like, oh, God, here we go. There. Leave me alone, guys.
Yeah. She's like, I'm going in. I'm done with you guys. She's like, look. They're after her.
Relentless. Trying to give her the corkscrew. It's not working, bro.
I can't reach.
That's not nice. That's not nice. You're laughing at him. You're laughing at him, and he can't reach. Come on. Don't be a jerk.
Wow. Ruben did it again. He must have that pheromones coming off of him.
I don't know what I did. Just came to visit. Yoshi, get out. What are you? Yoshi, jump. Bounce like a kangaroo.
Come on, Yoshi.
What is your problem? What is it about the deer you don't like? Go ahead, take it. You want some too?
So tomorrow there's going to be so much going on. See you then.
Yo, things are getting set up. Vendors are here. Dust is kicking up. This event's going to get going, and we're about ready to get going too.
This totally brings back so many memories of the events that we used to throw back in LA.
Oh yeah.
This is straight in our wheelhouse. World's famous hot sauce.
Okay, I got a mild salsa. It's called sissy salsa.
That would be for me.
I've got a medium salsa, which is called just right. And then I've got a spicy salsa, which is pretty hot too. And that's called Might Kill You.
Oh.
And then, of course, we have the death in the jar.
Just in the trailer all sorry.
Oh.
That's really good, dude. Oh my God.
You like it? It's a creeper too.
No, it hangs around.
You can't sit there and do 10 chips. I promise you. I've made grown men bigger than this dude stand here and cry. And then once they keep going though, it just keeps creeping on you.
It's good, but not for the faint of heart.
We're leaving. Bye. This is definitely a harvest host that we will be back. The people were freaking amazing. Love them. They make you feel like you're a part of the family.
Absolutely.
Definitely a place you want to come down. So if you're here, come down here.